Awareness to mental health crisis for senior high school students. The strongest people are not those who show no weakness, but those who acknowledge their struggle and seek strength in their vulnerability. This quote reminds us that mental health is not a sign of weakness but a vital aspect of our well-being. Today we are going to discuss something extremely important, mental health, particular within our senior high school community. It is a topic that many overlook, yet reality aspect of all us. Deeply understanding and addressing mental health challenge is a vital creating supportive and thriving school environment. Mental health is actually the term used to describe emotional psychology and social well-being. It impacts how we think, feel, behave. Mental health aspect how we cope with stress, we get along with others, and even make decisions. Sometimes mental health problems we can mild symptoms like anxious or down to serious mental illness symptoms that disrupt to sleep, appetite, or concentration. Such can reality challenge your life inside and outside of school, promise relationship, and above all decrease your satisfaction with life. With individual struggle, mental health is ripple outwards, affecting families, friends, and wider community. It can lead increased stress with family, reduced productivity in the workplace, and overall decrease in community well-being. Teenagers and young adults particularly vulnerable in mental health challenge due to the many physical, emotional, and social challenge they experience during this period of life. Academic pressure, social media peer relationship, and family dynamics all play significant role. Everyone can contribute to the creation of better setting. The starter we can create of ourselves and when we feel like we're suffering from mental health issue, we can also listen other might be in need support. Then small act of kindness impact and understanding can be hug. We can engage in school activities aimed eradicating mental health stigma. Further decision of important matter. Mental health important part our general well-being. It cuts across the life individual, family, and community seeking help, finding healthy and ways, coping and using available resources are all steps in the prevention or remedying of mental health problem. Remember, you are alone. Help available and stronger. We can create stronger, healthier, and more supportive community where every student feel value, respect, and empowered to prioritize their mental well-being. Let be brave, let be kind, and let be advocates for mental health.